I'm Tony. I got a 69 Impala custom, candy apple paint, 350 motor, you know.
That's what you call candy.
The usual suspects. I did a lot of the motor work with my homeboy. I got the interior done. Not really nothing too crazy. Got the music hooked up, things like that, you know. A little bit at a time here and there. Nothing too crazy though. It's always a work in progress, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah.
So he's our vice president of the club,
Yeah.
this is our president of our
Yep,
club.
Mr. Jojo, our president,
Jojo.
yep.
How you doing?
Yep, we're all pretty much the founders of it, you know what I mean? There's a whole handful of us. We try to be here as often as not, but you know how that goes, you know. Most of the time, go ahead, Joe.
Yeah, as much as we can, we try to be here as much as we can, almost every other weekend. What the fuck?
I got it, Daddy. It's a Brochuck Homer.
Oh, yeah. Hey, but yeah, we come out and support all the car clubs, all the lowrider movement, and we active. We out here, all the family, birthday parties, quinceaneras, weddings, soccer OGs. We just try to do it all.
Yeah. What kind of service do you guys offer?
Not really. It's kind of word of mouth. Like people will say, "Hey, we got a birthday, ride along." You know, they'll get with us, and then we'll kind of put it together. We'll put something on our feed. Say, "Hey, there's a birthday party roll through. If anybody wants to go,
We have
everybody."
our annual sock drive coming up.
Oh yeah.
Winter drive.
Yeah, we do have a sock drive. Yep. Yeah. On the 24th of November, we have a sock drive right there on Franklin and Fruit Ridge. Doors open at what, 10 somewhere? Some 10 or 11. Yep, starts at 11. Yeah.
Every year we do it.
Yeah, it's a drive for the homeless. We just gather a bunch of blankets, beanies, socks, whatever we can, and then we give it to the homeless every year. This will be our third annual? Fourth, excuse me. Our fourth annual, yep, so we try to give back to the community as much as we can and have a good time while we do it, you know, so. Well, cool, man.
How's it going, MTV? How you guys doing today? We come up here to celebrate what they got going on right now, the changing of the name of the street. Lowrider Lane, that's the shit right there. So we're all good.
Yeah.
Got my family back over here, my brothers. Got family first, you know, another big car club. We're all good.
Blood related? Or?
No, just,
no.
we all call each other family.
Family, just like brothers.
Everybody out here is like that.
Yeah.
So what does it take to be a family?
Man, just being out here cruising, being dedicated to the cause, being out here cruising, getting along with everybody, helping each other, you know, that's what we do.
Okay.
Yeah.
He doesn't have to have the beautiful car like this.
Well, you know what I mean? It helps to have a beautiful car. But if you don't, you jump in the passenger side and go for a ride.
Okay.
You know, that's what we do. You know, we just ride around, you know what I mean? Just be cool with everybody, you know, nothing really in particular. Not unless you're with the car club. If you're with the car club, usually car clubs go out, have a barbecue, little celebration like we got going on right now, you know. This is a very big celebration, as you can see right now.
Do do you also accept something like the birthday ride?
We do birthday ride. We do all the funerals, weddings.
Get us weddings, you know,
Okay,
just
okay.
whatever it takes, you know what I mean? Just to be out there.
I've been low riding since the 80s with my brother and friends, and yeah. So this was like exciting for everyone in Sacramento. Like no other city has done this.
Supposedly
In
this became Lowrider Lane.
Lowrider Lane, yeah, nobody's done this. So
And Sacramento's a first.
So you own this lane now.
Yeah, for the low riders.
George, he's from Family First.
Nice to meet you.
So he wants to know about your car.
That car right there, I bought for my dad the year he was born. He always wanted one, he said, but unfortunately he passed in July of cancer. But my mom and me were still driving. I drive that. This is my other one, 75 Capri, mom right there. So she drives this big old car.
What is it?
It's called the Big Slurp.
1975 Caprice Classic convertible.
And that one?
That's a 1952 Chevrolet convertible.
He calls this the Big Slurp.
What is that?
Well, like a president of my club, his car is icy 63, like an icy. So this is a Slurpee. Yeah, so it's bigger. So I said, this is a
I
Slurp.
like to go to 7-Eleven?
Oh yeah, you know, hey, it's the weekend stop. So,
Okay.
so welcome to Sacramento. Anything you need, we got food, drink, water.
Ron Sanchez, Sacramento, Family First Car Club. 1962 Impala convertible. It's one of the fleet. It's our cruiser. It's what we do. Every weekend, this is what we do. Put a lot into this one. I only had this one a couple years, so in those couple years I've been real busy. All the upholstery, some paint on it, air ride, stereo, rims. I've been busy for 2 years, yes. Usually something like that takes probably at least, minimum 5 years.
Yeah. And you got it all done as quick as possible.
As quick as possible, just through connections and friends, trying to line things up. Like I said, this is one of 3 cars that we have. So this is our cruiser though. This is the one we take to the streets. The other one we take to car shows. The car club I ride what's called Family First. That's the name of it, Family First, but it is always Family First. Family comes over everything. Car clubs comes over everything. And we're all family.
All of us.
We're all family. I met Lonnie probably about 5 years ago, 6 years ago, and he's family. We're all family.
name is Richard Wong. I'm president and founder of 71st Car Club. I got 63 drop coming out, man, full frame off, everything engraved. It's gonna be bad. It's gonna be a head turner for sure. I brought my brother's 64 convertible that went out. Hey.
I tell you, they got some of the best cars, though.
We got the best cars in Sacramento. Not being cocky, just being honest. You know what I mean? That's good. Nah, I mean, I love, man, how all Sacramento, man, we about unity. You know what I mean? Like, right here. Soccer all G's. I mean, everyone, all the car clubs are out here, man, get along, and that's what it's all about, man. You know what I mean? Create this unity, and just everyone get along, and just, man, keep this tradition alive and going. It's all chrome and engraved, so this is all engraving, you know what I mean? So you go a little extra step. So you go put a little bit more money into it, but you know, it's just more show.
These
know
are
what
all
I mean?
engraving?
Yeah, so a little sketch, little
Is that laser
etch engraving? No, it's all by hand.
Oh, heck,
It's all by hand. Crazy Cutting did a lot of it. You know what I mean? So Crazy Cutting did a lot of the engraving. He's out of Arizona, so yeah. And then I got a lot of his stuff done in LA actually, so. Actually, this is all my parts right here. That's in so just alone, and just like this serpentine kit right here, just cost me over $6,000 right here. Just to get that done.
You put this on the truck?
Oh yeah, yeah.
I like how much you spent on this one. Like total.
This one, I mean, this one right now you can probably sell for at least $100,000 for sure. My car, I got about $180,000 in that car. It's almost done. I gotta get my interior done and I'm done.
That's this is 67. That's 63.
We try to stay original. We get the car and we you know, we had our little rims, our music, and our motor souped up or whatever. But as far as that goes, we just stay original. We stay original as much as we can. That's what it's about. You know what I mean? When we do our little modifications, our little tilt columns. You know what I mean? Our if a car comes on the floor, which they all do when they're 409, we switch it up. We put a new transmission in and make it automatic. So that's what I did, you know what I mean? And I don't like hydraulics, I don't like airbags, so I do coil overs, like hot rod suspension. I like my shit up high, stiff, sitting right on 13, not scraping. 4 deep, going over speed bumps, you ain't gotta worry about scraping, you know what I mean? That's just my style though, I've been like that forever, you know what I mean? That's just what I do. But everybody else is different, you know what I mean?
They like that.
Yeah, they like all that. I don't like to move around and shit. I like to stay, I don't want my beer to spill, you know?
You mess with your
I'm right here, the 63 SS convertible, yeah. Mostly the motor, the suspension is stock pretty much. I got tubular suspension, but it's mostly just stock coils. But mostly the engine, it's all, you know, I did a lot of chrome work and stuff in the motor. Put AC. Yeah, everything, like drivability is top notch. You know, I can drive it anywhere. You know what I mean?
That's our luxuries when you got AC in your lowrider.
Yeah.
Shit.
Over here in Sacramento.
You sweat your ass off.
Yeah, so I got a transmission shop, so I put the best transmission. I got a 4L60, all original, just plain. You know, just I like it to look good and perform good. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Is that Super Sport?
Super Sport. It's Redline Transmissions, 109 Auto Circle, Sacramento, California.
So these are all family first bikes too. They got a lot of bikes in their club. They're one of the biggest chapters in Sacramento. What's up, man? All right, man. Good, bro.
You driving the 69?
Yeah.
right there in West Sacramento, everything was luck.
Yeah, me too.